But nah, we finna start with this unboxing. As y'all can see, what y'all think I should start with? Should I start with the meat and potatoes or the little goodies on the side?
Say the best for last.
Say the best for last? Say less, say less. Well, matter of fact, that's perfect because the first thing, ND filter, and it's not even in the box because it's already on the camera. So first little joint out the way. Boom. Then we got another little knick-knack. If you know, you know, you gotta have one of these. Let's see what you got there, buddy. So this is the phone mount. This the phone mount everybody be using when they be getting the behind the scenes, when they like show the whole camera in the POV. That's why I like the Ray-Bans, because it show the whole camera in the POV type shit. But yeah, you could use this, throw it on top of your camera. Little 20 bucks, man. Oh, this is definitely a knick-knack. Can't survive without one of these, though. Got the doohickey. You know, you need this for the memory card every time you transferring your data. You gotta have one of these. I got one, but I just grabbed another one just cause. All right, I'll show y'all something. I'll show y'all something kinda cool. Y'all know what that's for? Matter of fact, we're gonna dress it up right quick. So y'all know we got the vlog camera. Y'all know we got the baby vlog camera, A6700. No big bulky ass full cage. We got the half ski. Let's throw that joint on the. Look where they put the. Bro, that's the Allen. Bro. That's crazy. I'm finna dress this up for y'all right quick. So boom. Had to tighten up this little screw. I know y'all see that screw right there. Tighten up that little screw. Tighten this joint up on the bottom. And we went half cage on them. Look at the half ski. So I got some more accessories for the cage, and that's why I put this little half cage on here, so I can show y'all the accessories, since I'm not able to show you on the FX30. But yeah, half ski. All right, now these two, these go for the FX30, but we shooting on the FX30 right now, so I'm gonna throw them on the A6700 so y'all can get the point. So first we got, and I'm gonna show you why I got this one exactly. I ain't gonna lie, I love how all they little shit be coming wrapped up, like, shit crazy. And it came with an extra. So this is the mount that you use to mount the handle. But I'm gonna show you why we don't need that. So this is what it's looking like. And it holds the, boom. So this is the old handle right here. It went like this. And as you can see, when you open the, y'all see the problem. So instead, now we got room. And obviously just think about this being on the FX30. I'm not gonna never kit up this A6700, but just think about it. Boom. Next, had to get another mic, man. Let's see what it come with though. I know the mic, you know, Rode be coming with shit. Let's check out this package. Small but mighty. Oh wow. Came with some little papers. And I know it had to come with booger sugar. And it came with a cord. Of course, it better come with a cord. This is two going on the FX30. But y'all get it for the purpose. We're gonna throw it on here. you can either, I'm gonna have more room on the other camera, but you can either do it like this, plug it up. That mother straight shaky. It's mainly just the mount. You know what I'm saying? You could do that, or I be seeing people do it like this. I don't know how I feel about this. But yeah. Exactly. As long as you ain't got a super wide, well, I don't think it'll catch it anyway. But yeah, all this going on the FX30. I might insert a clip so at the end so y'all can see it all the way fully kitted up. But yeah. Next thing we got here, yeah. I've been wanting this lens for hellas. I got it off Amazon. I think it was, I don't remember how much it was. I have to show you how much it was. But this is what we got here. 15mm G lens. It's probably gonna be like the new, like, I guess, wide angle lens for the FX30. I don't even know, I just wanted the lens, honestly. So yeah, we rocking out with that. I always love a new lens. What y'all think this is? If you know, you know, goddamn. You see this motherfucker at K&F Concept, you know exactly what this is. Don probably like, what the hell is that? Nigga, this is $100 tripod, goddamn it. And I'm gonna show you why it's $100. Bro, tripod high as hell. Not only that, it could do like, hold on. It do something else, I just don't know how to do it yet. Hold on. There you go. So this motherfucker do like this. Nigga catch some crazy angles. Woo! Hey, we in the game now. And like you could do the you know what I'm saying? Downward angle type shit. Yeah. That's you get. Exactly. Yeah. So yeah. That's why this motherfucker was $100. Next thing, like I said, I'm gonna start doing the drop the mics real soon. Like almost like on the corner or whatever else they be calling them, from the porch. You know where the mic be hanging? That's kind of why I bought this and the other tripod. But yeah, I went with the black joint. I didn't want silver. Went with the black joint. You know, motherfuckers gonna be whatever. And it came with a cord. So yeah, we good. Yee! So we about halfway through, you know. I could show y'all some more boring accessories. Not boring, but some more accessories. But instead, I want to show y'all this light because this light cool as fuck. I ain't even gonna lie. This light was like $180. It connects to the app and everything. Let me show y'all this light right quick. Fucking look like a damn light. Yeah, exactly, almost. Let's see if we got action. Hell no, this bitch ain't charged. Nope. Yeah. But yeah, it's got some cool settings. I'll show y'all. Lighten that up a little bit. No, I like that. There we go. I'll show y'all this in a different video, but I'll put the link in the description anyway. This is a good ass light. I looked at the reviews, all that shit. Obviously, we can't use it right now, but y'all will see this in other videos. Since we on the topic of lights, I tried this light out already before. That's why I got it, bro. This light is fucking crazy. Like, this is a good ass light. And this is the best thing about it. Tired of all these big, huge ass lights. This one can fit in your pocket. Throw it in your pocket. It ain't all bulky. Compared to my phone, I got a 17. It's not even like a plus or nothing. Smaller than my phone. And bright as hell too. It was like 40 bucks. And it lasts 12 hours. But we'll see about that. One more accessory we had in there. I kept looking up what memory card to get besides the SanDisk. I always use SanDisk. I needed a V60 card. We got a Lexer. Everybody say these the ones, you know, that professional motherfucker. So that's what we rocking with, Lexer. If I'm not mistaken, that's everything except the best part. Hold on. But big boy gimbal bump. Look, hold on. Talking about little wedding cameraman looking with the thing in the head. Wedding cameraman looking ass. Yeah, man. That's where we at with it now. So for the end of the video, we finna open this joint up. And just being honest, it's not the newest, it ain't the latest, greatest. I went with the motherfucking Amazon bestseller. Oh my God. It's that motherfucker, man. It's the nicest packaging out of all this stuff I opened up so far. Fresh ass gimbal. So boom. Oh, nothing to slide off this motherfucker. Okay, how do I lock that? All right. So boom. I really gotta learn how to use this, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, I know nothing about this. I wish I'd have been able to get a video of it with the motherfucking cameraman walk, but it's all good. I'm out of time today. We just gonna end it on right there. Stay tuned in. We will be figuring out this motherfucking gimbal because I gotta use it tomorrow and I don't know how to use it. It's crazy. We will be figuring out this gimbal. This is what $1,500 gets you on Amazon. Hit that subscribe button. Stay tapped the fuck in, man. Hey, go to JB Media. Should be the link in the description. That's the Instagram where we jamming at, man. Pull up, like, subscribe, comment. Peace out, y'all.